The Honda Talon subgearbox gear reduction is an upgrade that improves the vehicle's off-road performance. By installing a gear reduction kit, it is possible to improve control and maneuverability on difficult terrain while also increasing torque. So what is Honda Talon sub-transmission gear reduction? With the Honda Talon subgearbox gear reduction, the gear ratio in the subgearbox is lowered, resulting in more torque and improved crawling ability. This improvement makes the vehicle more capable of navigating difficult obstacles, rugged terrain, and steep inclines, which improves off-road performance. In difficult off-road conditions, it provides better control, traction, and overall drivability. The famous aftermarket modification known as the Honda Talon subgearbox gear reduction considerably improves the vehicle's off-road performance. The sub-transmission's gear ratio can be decreased by installing a gear reduction kit, which boosts torque and crawling power. For off-road aficionados who routinely navigate difficult barriers, rocky terrain, and steep inclines, this improvement is very helpful. Before getting into our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It means a lot to us. If you are interested in reading such insightful content about UTV, visit our website www.offroadingutv.com. Link is given in the description. Let's get back to the video. The gear reduction upgrade enhances traction and control in difficult off-road situations by enabling the Honda Talon to maintain lower speeds while supplying greater torque to the wheels. The vehicle now has improved crawling capabilities, making it easier for it to move across difficult terrain. The Talon's off-road agility and maneuverability are improved by the gear reduction, whether negotiating bumpy tracks or clambering over obstacles. Lowering the gear ratio in the drivetrain is referred to as gear reduction, and it increases torque production while reducing rotational speed. Usually, this is accomplished by upgrading the sub-transmission's stock gears to larger ones. Improved crawling ability is the main advantage of gear reduction, particularly in difficult terrain with steep inclines, pebbles, or mud. The power to overcome obstacles and sustain traction at low speeds is increased by boosting torque. Additionally, it lessens stress on the drivetrain and engine parts, extending their useful lives. Off-road vehicles can navigate rough terrain with more ease and precision thanks to gear reduction, which improves control and maneuverability. It offers the torque required for navigating through narrow spaces, traveling across uneven terrain, and climbing hills. First of all, it boosts torque output, enabling the Talon to easily navigate difficult terrain. The gear reduction gives the wheels greater power, which improves their ability to crawl and their traction on steep inclines, rocky terrain, and uneven terrain. Second, by maintaining lower speeds while supplying more torque, the gear reduction improves control and maneuverability. It enables precise throttle control, making it simpler to negotiate difficult obstacles, tight turns, and narrow paths. The gear reduction system works by boosting the torque sent to the wheels while lowering the rotational speed from the engine to the wheels. This is accomplished by decreasing the gear ratio by altering the size of the gears in the subgearbox. The kit allows the engine to run at a lower RPM while still producing enough torque by reducing the gear ratio. As a result, low-end power and crawling capabilities improve, making it simpler to negotiate difficult off-road terrain. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website link given in the description. Thank you. That is for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video.